Hi, this is MarcyBoy once again. Today I'm going to show you the online tool that you can use for conversion of your file into different formats. Yes, this is Zamzar online file conversion tool. Zamzar is an online conversion tool that you can use in converting files to other formats. This is free and this is very easy to use. Zamzar converts thousands of different file formats like document file formats, image file formats, audio file formats, video file formats, evoc file formats, compressed file formats, and CAD file formats. There are only 4 steps on how to use Zamzar. 1. Upload your file. 2. Choose the format type you want to convert. 3. Click Convert Now to start conversion process. And 4. Click Download to see your converted file. In using Zamzar, there are also pros and cons. But before discussing that, I will show you first how the Zamzar works. First, go to your browser, type zamzar.com. Press enter. You will be directed to this homepage. This is the homepage of Zamzar online file conversion. Okay, you can see here the 3 buttons: add files, convert to, and convert now buttons. These buttons are the buttons you can use in converting your files. Let's go down. Below you will see the popular conversion supported and the popular types of conversion supported by the Zamzar. For example, PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, MP4 to MP3, PDF to Doc. Let's go up again. Okay, let's add a file. For example, I want to add my Word document file. Zoom it, overview, point doc. This is a Word document file. Once you added your file, you go to number 2 button, the convert to. Click the convert to button and choose PDF. You will convert the Word document to PDF. Then number 3, the convert now button. Click convert now. It will start converting your file. You can see it is in progress converting. Once the conversion is done, you can see a download button here. Just click on that download button and it will automatically download your file into your download folder. Now let's check the converted file. Let's go to the download folder. You can see here the zoom it overview.pdf. The Word document is already converted into a PDF file. Okay, now let's open this one. This is the sample PDF file that we already converted. Okay, that's it. As simple as that. You can convert your file into different formats using the Zamzar online file conversion tool. Let's go to my presentation. And for the pros and cons, for the pros, you have a maximum file upload of 150 MB, but if you have a Zamzar account, your limit is up to 2 gigabytes. And in Zamzar, there is nothing to install. Zamzar is simple enough for anyone to use. Zamzar converts variety of files from one format to another, and for the cons, upload limit of 150 MB makes it difficult to use for your videos and audio conversions. Only 5 files can be converted simultaneously, and free accounts are limited to 50 conversions within 24-hour period. Okay, that's it. I think I already explained to you the Zamzar conversion online tool that you can use to convert your files into different file formats. This tool will help you even if you have no application in your PC that you can use for conversion of your files. This is MarcyBoy once again saying thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.